we cannot be socially responsible apart from being Christ-centered and Spirit-empowered. On July 27, 2022, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake shook the province of Abra. It's just a 30-minute drive away from Narvacan, where I am residing and I'm pastoring a church. Our provincial leader asked me if I could head this disaster response, how we can help not just the members of the church, but those who are greatly affected. And when we casted the vision to our pastors and missionaries and some of the volunteers of each church, I'm amazed because there were so many volunteers who would want to come. So we went there, we purchased packages, relief goods, because I think that's the first need that they had. We gave water to them, rice, canned goods, anything that they can eat without any cooking, because their houses were really destroyed. Some of them were fearful to go back because there were cracks in their houses. So we gave tents to them so that they can provide themselves a temporary shelter on their own. We have 460 families. These are victory and non-victory members, first recipients of the relief package that we gave. And as of now, most of them are plugged into victory groups and plugged in to the church community. We're doing right now is a rebuilding project. The two families that we've helped right now in the rebuilding project, the whole two families are now attending our Sunday service because they felt not a religion, they felt a relationship. With these two families, they're also inviting their neighbors just to attend our Sunday service. They've seen in us the genuineness to help them. For us Christians, we can help in so many ways. But I think the bottom line, and this is very clear for all of us as Every Nation family, people need Jesus. Whatever season, will always boil down to anchoring their faith in God. I think when we talk about Every Nation mission, how do we do it? It's a Christ-centered, Spirit-empowered, and socially responsible. For us, we help with the mission and we help with the heart of preaching Jesus to them, because apart from Jesus, the very provision that we've given to them will be in vain, because the only lasting hope that they can receive is the Lord Jesus Christ.